welcome back to another unboxing. I got some more parts in. This is for the Project Simon, not the 81. Let's see what I got here. See if you can guess what I'm actually going to be working on next. Cut this open. Let's cut this open. I brought the most dullest knife in the shed here. Well, first off, packing. I always love the packing material, don't you? So I got a box within a box. Box within a box. Okay. Go ahead and get this lined up here. Aha, the secret. Rebuilt. Remanufactured. Control arms. Now, a lot of people's been asked, why do you got control arms? Well, for the main fact is mine was a wet suspension, and I needed the control arms for the dry suspension, because where I'm converting it. So right there's the plugs. I don't like the fact that that's not on all the way, but I guess I can pound it down and get it in there. I'm glad it is there, though. There's one. Anyway, there's number one control arm. I'm hoping looking in this box that one of these boxes has my other parts in it, because I had other parts ordered and I do not see them. Aha, yeah, here they are. Okay, so opening up here, let's start with number one here. What we got here, a handy dandy oil filter. That is actually for the 81, because I wanted to redo the 81, but I will need these for the later car too. So I got 4 of those actually. We'll set those off to the side. Those are just spares, because in the United States it's hard to find the thing. Okay, so this says valve assembly. Oh, I know what this is. So this is the proportioning valve that goes on the back of the subframe for the brakes. Now the one thing I just remembered is I didn't buy a bolt for that, but that's okay. I can order that and get that. There's the other control arm. I am looking at these. I am going to go ahead and repaint these, because these are all busted up, so I'm going to go ahead and tape them up and repaint them before I put them on the car. But there's the other control arm. Okay, and then this one here, you guys probably know what these are too. These are the brake cable quadrants. Which I just realized I didn't order the brake cables. I should have probably ordered the brake cables while I was putting this apart. It's not a big deal. I'll add those in later. Okay, this is a washer for, I think that's for the pins for the brake quadrants. Here is a rubber donut that don't need to be got lost. These are some washers for something. I have no idea what. I think they're for like the little subframe, the control arm plates. That's the pins for the quadrants. More washers. There's the 2 knuckles to put the high-low on. Then this here, I'm not going to open it because it's a big mess, but if you can see it, I don't know if you can see it real well, that's all the basically fittings to put the subframe in the car. Then we got a bag of bolts. Quick and easy. There's not a lot to that back subframe. The one thing I did forget was the was the emergency brake cables, but I'll get those later because, like I said, I am in no point ready to put the subframe in the car yet. But yeah, I am going to go ahead and repaint those. But yeah, there's my parts haul for this month. So, appreciate you watching.